All right, everyone, listen up. I have a critical update for Bitcoin and its price action. I'm going to show you where I think price is headed here for Bitcoin and how we're going to get there in this video. I'm going to make it so quick for you. We did have a little bit of a whipsaw action here. We took out this high. If you watched the previous video, I called for the structure here in a dump. We got that dump and it came up, took the high back out again. I'm going to show you the updates as to what I think is going on here. Stay tuned. Let's get right into it. This is Elliott Wave Theory, guys. If you're new to Elliott Wave Theory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, you know what I'm saying. Check out the free boot camp. You will learn Elliott Wave here. It's in the free Discord right here. You will have access to it. It's a 3-hour long boot camp. Pinned in the first comment down below is the free Discord. Hop in there and you get access to the free boot camp. All right, let's get into this. Now, we're going to take a step back right on the hourly time frame. And nothing has really changed overall for me for Bitcoin. I'm still overall looking at, from this move down, a correction here in which we're going to put in some type of a flat down in here, coming up, and then come down for a larger wave. How deep this goes, to be determined. This is the overall structure, putting in an ABC for Bitcoin. Now, as we zoom in here, I'm going to show you, these are just simple waves I drew in. I'm going to show you the actual structure I believe is playing out. All right. Now, after we complete this ABC structure, good potential for a run back up to all-time high. I'm not going to go over the long-term analysis in this video. We're going to be focused more on the action that we're experiencing immediately right now. So let's go down to like the 15-minute. On the 15-minute time frame, how I am viewing this entire structure is, as I stated previously in my previous videos, an ABC here. We're in the middle of a corrective structure to the downside that's going to break the low, and we're going to essentially put in a flat correction, which is just, you could draw it in as ABC right here, right? This is what we are in the middle of. Now, for this leg to the downside, how I believe it's going to play out, you might say, Alex, well, you're projecting price to come down. Why are you in a freaking long right now, bro? I will tell you why. Over on Blowfin, we are long. More of a scalp long. I alerted the premium Discord of, I alert my premium members of all the trades that I'm getting into. Told them I fired a scalp long here. Guys, if you want access to the premium channels, we do live streams over there. We learn Elliott Wave Theory, and you have access, yes, to all of my trades. Just click upgrade here. There's a 2025 New Year special. You basically get $20 off for life starting January 10th. That's effective. You need to be a premium member. You need to be in premium by January 10th. I switched the flip. Boom. Going forward is $20 off for life. All right. Capitalize on that now. If you want to be a premium member, now is your chance. Start 2025 off with a bang. The right kind of bang, if you know what I'm saying. All right. Now, I am long because if we zoom in on like the 1 minute time frame, I want to come just snag this liquidity up here. I saw this trend line getting built, figured it was going to bust up. We were long from right here, and I'm really just taking this up to right here. I'm going to get out, guys, and start looking short. Let's zoom back out real quick. Now, on my previous video, I told you guys I was looking for this to be a flat correction, and then we can start coming down. How I am viewing this, as I just stated, guys, remember, I'm looking for a corrective wave here. A boom, boom, boom. 3 waves, right? Now, what I'm seeing shape up is a WXY correction, in which we have an ABC right here. We have still a flat. It still has the shape of a flat. It just put in a corrective zigzag pattern here. I have seen this time and time again, guys. It does not need to be just a solely impulsive wave. Most of the time it is. But at the end of the day, where is the liquidity at? Too much liquidity must have been sitting right here. They came up and snagged it, right? So, am I saying, hey, this can't just start pushing up? No, obviously it can do that, guys. But probabilities state that we're going to start pushing down. Now, you have a correction up here, correction down here, and a correction up here. It's more of a WXY style of a flat correction. I've seen it time and time again. For all intents and purposes, we're just going to label it as an ABC right here. I'm going to put that in red for you. Top is in there. Top is in. All right. Now, what is to follow? Well, if we have an ABC here for our starting wave, we have an ABC here for our intermediate wave. I'm looking for another ABC down. I'm going to make this a more major degree. We'll do minor, and we'll make it freaking neon. All right. Now, how this wave is going to progress to the downside, in theory, it should have a zigzag style pattern. Rather than being impulsive and just pushing down, it should have a wave structure like so. So, with this long that I'm in, I am looking for this to either be the correction of this leg down. Let me get rid of everything because it's a little chaotic here. The correction of this leg down, or our wave 4 of an impulsive leg down, in which we'll get a correction later on. And then we'll start pushing down again. That's how our zigzag shape will form. I'm going to be watching this closely here, and I'm going to be really looking to flip short in here, hopefully to catch a wave down like so, at least for a wave 4. We'll see if we get a corrective push up and then continuation. That's what I'm seeing starting to form on the chart, and we will label that simply as an A, B, C, like so. And right here was our first leg. Right here was our correction. Right here is our second leg of that correction to the downside that breaks the low. So I'm just going to pull a trend-based fib on our first leg up to our second. And you know I love to target the 1-to-1. That is coming in at about 90,000. At about 90,000. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to see. I see panning out next. After we get this leg down, if this plays out, I'm going to show you what's going to happen next, and what my trades are going to look like after that point. You guys know we trade over on Blowfin. They are no KYC, and you can use them globally. Right now, they are running a 2025 special. Guys, this ends January 6th, so you have like 6 days. If this wants to freaking load, here we go. So this is the initial deposit bonus ladder. These initial deposits are crazy, guys. Take advantage of this now. It's only available with the Chart Junkies link pinned in the first comment down below. Blowfin hooks it up for us every time. I make sure I get you guys the best promotions. So click the link, give Blowfin a try. You sign up with your freaking email, you start trading. Easy as that. All right. Now, what's going to happen after we put in this second corrective leg to the downside following our first corrective leg to the upside? Correction up, correction down that breaks the low. That's right, people. A flat. You guessed it. BTC loves to flat. I would be looking for an impulsive leg to the upside. You can simply pull fibs. Let's see. Man, my internet is slow today. Right here. Couple of popular targets, the 1-to-1 and the 1618 box. I would really be looking for liquidity to get swept up here. This would come up to around 100K. That would be beautiful, picturesque. And then zooming out, there is our finished corrective structure correcting this leg. It took its sweet time, and then we can come down for our C leg. How deep this wants to go, I would say around 80K. I would say right here around 75, 80K. After that, then there's potential for another run up to all-time high, Lord willing. All right, but this is way in the future, guys. You know I trade the chop. I trade the ups and downs. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already for these daily Bitcoin updates. Like this video if you've been getting something out of these videos. Smash the freaking like button for me. Run it up. Leave a comment down below how you're liking Elliott Wave Theory. I love each and every one of you. Trade safe. Bring in 2025. Sober-minded. I don't want you out partying. 2025 is the year to grind. Let's make it our year, baby. This is what it's all about. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.